Good morning, students. Today I will go with class 7th maths. This is assignment number 2 for your examination. Please take help from this assignment to prepare for your exam. So, second chapter was rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Already explained to you. So, rational number is the number which we can write in a upon b form, and denominator b should not be is equal to 0. So, here first question is write the numerator and denominator of each of the following rational numbers. First part is minus 7 upon 3. So, here numerator is minus 7, denominator is 3. Just you have to write like this. Then in second part, minus 3 upon minus 5, numerator is minus 3 and denominator is minus 5. Then question number 2, express as integers. Integers, so like here is a number 6 upon 1, just remove 1 from the denominator, it will change into integers. So like here minus 10 upon 1 will give us minus 10. So also remove 1 from here, minus 54 is the integer. So question number 3, express these integers as rational numbers. So just put 1 here, it will become the rational number. Then true false, 0 upon 0 is a rational number, that is it will not exist, so this answer is false. 0 upon 5 means 0 divided by any number will give us 0, so 0 is also a rational number, so this is true. Next one is 0 is the smallest rational number. No, we can't find the greatest and smallest number, so this one is false. Are the following numbers positive or negative? Here negative sign is there, so this number is negative. So in the second part both numbers are of negative sign, so negative negative can be cancelled, so it will become positive. Then in third part, here negative sign is there, so it will be negative rational number. So here also negative sign, this is also of negative integers. So next one is question number 6, express the following as rational number with positive denominator. Here we will use the property multiply by minus 1. I told you earlier that when we will multiply by minus 1, it will change the sign. So minus 1 multiply by, here also multiply by minus 1, here sign will change, it will become negative and minus minus will be positive. Similarly second question you will go through by yourself. Then fill in the blanks. These all are equivalent rational number, these all are equal, so we have to fill number here. So first of all 49 and 7 is given to us, so divide 49 with 7, it will give us 7. So this 7 will be multiplied to minus 3 upon 7, multiply minus 3 upon 7, multiply by 7, also with denominator it will give us minus 21 upon 49. So here we will write minus 21. Similarly 84 divided by 7 will give us, here I also show division for you, so 7 ones are 7, so 14 will be here, 7 twos are 14, so 12 is the answer. So we will multiply by 12 with numerator and denominator, so 12 threes are 36 with the negative sign, 12 sevens are 84. Similarly you will go through this second part by yourself. Then come to 3 marks question. First question is write equivalent rational numbers of minus 3 upon 7 with the denominator. Means we will have to change this number again into any other number, like this example, whose denominator should be minus 21, 42 and 14. So what we will do, we will just minus we will have minus 3 upon 7, so denominator should be minus 21. So divide minus 21 with 7, it will give us minus 3. So multiply with numerator and denominator both. So here 3 3s are 9 and 7 3s are 21 with the negative sign. Similarly, second and third part you will try by yourself. Then next question is express in the standard form. Standard form is short form. Like 4 upon 60 number is here. We will have to find those number whose equivalent fraction means we will have to find another equivalent fraction which will equal to 4 upon 16. So here 4 and 16 we can divide with 2, so cancel just this, 2 will come here. Here 8 again cancel with 2, 1 upon 4. Similarly this 6 and 36 comes in the same table of 6, so 6 1 is 6, 6 6 are 36. This minus will come as it is, minus minus will be cancelled, 1 upon 6 is the answer. So that's all for today. Revise by yourself, do practice in your rough notebook. Thank you.